Hey guys, I'm Leo Franks and today I'll be reviewing the Mercedes-Benz S63 Coupe. This car's finished in cavern sight blue metallic. Has V8 bi-turbo badging on the side. Has 20-inch 10-spoke design silver grey diamond turn wheels. Has LED headlights, adaptive LED headlights, with Swarovski crystals built into it. Has a Distronic cruise control, surround camera standard. Has a night vision assist plus with thermal imaging. Has S63 badging on the left and AMG badging on the right. It's a performance exhaust system in chrome. Has a panoramic glass sunroof. Electric boot. Tyre repair kit. This car has the burr walnut trim in wood, veneered as well. Has a Burmester surround sound system with 600 watts. Has heated and cooled seats, ventilated seats to be exact.
And I thought, why don't we play for the very first time your single, but not only that.
Has electric seats with cushion extension and electric headrest. These are multi-contour seats with massage as well, and has pneumatic bolster adjustment and shoulder adjustment. Sounds quite nice as well. Also, you can put it in sport mode. It's a keyless go entry system, which can be taken out and you can put a traditional key in. Has magic body control standard or active body control, as some call it. Sport, comfort and dynamic curve mode. Has air suspension, which can adjust the car to go up and down. As I said, it had the 360-degree camera system. Also has the night vision, as I mentioned, with thermal imaging, black and white colour. Has steering assist as well, lane keeping assist, Distronic cruise control, or adaptive cruise control. Distronic is just what Merc calls it. Garage door opener. The sunroof, as I said, just has a blind, doesn't open. The Swarovski crystal is also carried onto the inside on this small piece. 2 cup holders underneath this secret little compartment. A CD player with USB. This car has COMAND hard disk drive navigation. As mentioned, it had multi-contour seats with massage dynamic seat adjustment, backrest side adjustment, lumbar, shoulders, and bolster support. Has an Alpha to Batch logo embossed inside the center console and also on the key. Has AMG badging on the seats, front and rear. Has heated rear seats. Has a wood and leather steering wheel as a cost option. Has illuminated door sills as an option. Exclusive AMG mats as an option. As I mentioned, the night vision and the Swarovski crystals in the headlights as an option. It's paddle shift, column mounted gear shifter. Car looks slightly raised now that I turned suspension up. Under the bonnet is a 5.5 litre twin turbo V8, performance oriented, with bi-turbochargers of 585 horsepower. There's an Alpha to Batch badge there, and a plaque of the person who made the car. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and be sure to leave a like.